How do you put these blinds up?
Oh, you can open the window to literally they open.
How do you make it stay? Okay.
Just put it over me.
Hey guys, so that was cringe. Good morning. Nope, that was cringe too. There's a dead bug. Bruh, do you hear that? It's like, bruh. Good morning. Why do I sound like a... That was cringe too. Good morning. So today we're at Sugar Mountain. It is 8:52. The slopes open at 9. We're probably gonna go like 9:30, 10. And then we'll probably snowboard until maybe 1 or 2. Then we'll come back for lunch. And then we might go back, but we might just wait until night sesh. Yesterday it was snowing, but overnight it didn't snow. It looks like this. Hold on. See? So not much snow is left. Yesterday it was like completely, like the trees were all just like white. It's still gonna be fun. Maybe since what I'm thinking is that if it didn't snow, it won't be as crowded. Let's hope. It's Sunday, so it's still the weekend. Yeah, guys. I think my stepmom is making breakfast. Yesterday she made pancakes and like eggs and bacon. And toast, I think. But I didn't eat it. I just had a banana and I left because I had to go to the mountain. But we can see like the mountain from right here. We're like a few feet away from it. It's cold outside. I think the high today is 33 and the low is 18, I think. But it's cold for me because I'm from Florida, so it's gonna be lit. The whole get ready with me, but actually it stopped recording, so gang. But basically I'm ready. My dad's not going because he's sore, but yeah, he's gonna come later. Yeah, but this is tired and hot. Let's go. Lunch, and now we're going. Too big. They're not made for the street.
But if it gets really full, people park here. This is over.
It literally makes no sense.
Right now, Hannah's trying to attempt snow tubing in crutches.
How am I supposed to get up there? Like,
We just did the thing.
You did.
And then it got rejected.
My leg.
Bark a little. What do you say? Look how tall I am. Look how tall I am. Look how tall I am. Put him in the back. Did I run him over?
Kinda, yeah.
Where?
Well, they're dirty. I don't know. Right now we're in this pretty fancy restaurant, and I'm obviously gonna get something off the kids menu. Yeah, we're at the kids table, and I'm probably gonna get some chicken nuggets and French fries. But ooh, I think I heard somebody say they had brownies, so I have to get a hit at that too. But I'm tired, and I just wanna go hit. I think we're going snowboarding after we leave here. Nice, Ash.
I don't know what. I just look over, I see him leaning down, and he just slips and and then the person operating the lift sees it, the city slamming with the rope, and he starts running out. Like they get him.
Meanwhile, good guys.
That's why they created the number 911.
Ooh. That was before. And Cece started cooking that before lunch.
And that's 325 is 350. Try again.
Oh, it's not.
That was.
It's a glass pan, not a dark metal pan.
Exactly.
So it's
Check yourself. Yeah. Yeah. Bird. She got owned.
Quack, 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 quack. We're gonna need more.
Alexa. This
Dump
is just
it.
for that.
Dump it. Dump
How did you do that? How did you manage to get the entire
Hold on, we can.
white?
That was the best ever.
She literally got the entire egg white out of the bowl. You can't pick it up. No, get a water bottle, an empty water bottle.
It's the last night. I haven't really been vlogging much today, but yeah, I'm sorry about that. But I'm getting ready for the last sesh. Yeah, it's kind of sad.